name's Bonnie, and I talk about my writing process, books, all things writing related, and also subscription boxes. Today, I want to share with you my January Scribbler subscription box. This is one of my favorite boxes, and it includes a new book to read every month. So let's get started. Here we go. All right, so I'm opening up this box, and here we have the postcard. Always, this is the Scribbler writing contest. This month it is to practice writing vivid descriptions below by describing your hometown in 4 to 5 sentences. We'll select one winner to receive a bonus gift. Entries close February 13th. And so if you do want to join more writing contests, getting the Scribbler box, it always includes a writing contest every single month that you can enter. And we also have Bobo's stuffed oat bite apple pie. So we have this little tiny treat here. Looks so yummy. Put this in your bag to go in the car or eat it wherever, I'm sure. I'm going to put this in my purse. And we have our orange Scribbler confetti as always. It's always happy to see that bright orange in there. And here we have some bookmarks. Set of 5 bookmarks, includes one of each. I love books. Read more, sleep less. The book was better. Reading is best defense against unwanted conversation. If my book is open, your mouth should be closed. So those are pretty cute. Very nice. I can always use more bookmarks. Oh, wow. This is a really, really nice gift in the Scribbler box this month. It's Pocket Memos, a 3-pack of memo books. We have blue, we have tan, and we also have a black notebook. Yes, I could use more journals right now, so this is perfect timing. And this month's Scribbler Writing Passport is all about descriptions. And it says, there is no better time to work on your dreams than the present. Scribbler founders Victoria and Lindsay. So this is very cool. Volume 37, January 2021. How to Write Vivid Descriptions by Megan Chance. So there's a clue maybe about our book a little bit. And of course, we have our wonderful publishing process inside look. And on the back, it does tell you everything that's in the Scribbler box. And I really enjoyed this. This is the author of Bone River, Megan Chance. And she talks about, she gives her synopsis in here. And she breaks that down. That's pretty cool. Can't wait to read that. And our exclusive chat this month is Meet Erin McClary. Erin McClary is an associate editor at Sourcebooks, an independent publisher outside of Chicago. She acquires adult fiction and nonfiction prior to joining Sourcebooks. Erin worked in brand and digital marketing for 14 years. So this is a chat that members of the Scribbler box get to attend. There's a new chat every single month for Scribbler box subscribers. So check that out. And we have our signed book plate that comes with our books. You can place that inside or do whatever you want with it. Just put it inside. And our book this month is A Splendid Ruin, a novel by Megan Chance. So this looks pretty good. The Heir of Destruction. After her mother's death, penniless May Kimball lives a lonely life until an aunt she didn't know existed summons her to San Francisco. There she's welcomed into the wealthy Sullivan family in her social circle. Initially overwhelmed by the opulence of her new life, May soon senses that dark mysteries lurk in the shadows of the Sullivan mansion. Her glamorous cousin often disappears in the night. Her aunt wanders about in a London fog, and a maid keeps hinting that May is in danger. Trapped by betrayal, madness, and murder, May stands to lose everything, including her freedom, at the hands of those she trusts most. Then, on an early April morning, San Francisco comes tumbling down. Out of the smoldering ruins, May embarks on a harrowing road to reclaim what is hers. This tragic twist of fate, along with the help of an intrepid and charismatic journalist, puts vengeance within May's reach. But will she take it? So if you're interested in this, it looks like a bit of a mystery. Sounds pretty good. If you're interested in this, check it out. A Splendid Ruin by Megan Chance. And I want to thank you again for spending your time with me, and I hope you enjoyed this Scribbler unboxing for January 2021. And I hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Keep writing. Bye.